We, Ningbo High-Tech Zone Tosion International Trade Company Limited, have been specializing in hydraulic items for more than 5 years with professional team and experienced engineers. Our own factories in Ningbo manufacturing hydraulic motors and pumps. The orbital motors are very popular all over the world. Quite reliable quality with competitive price. Can meet clients' different requests. Poclane MS and MSE motor are in my business range too. Really finding a good market in the USA. Spares are available for maintain purpose. IAM and GM motors are widely used on plastic machines, mining and marine equipment. The A2F series, it can be worked as a motor or a pump when you need high-speed application. This one will be a good choice. And we developed an internal gear pump which replaced Rexroth PGH perfectly. Now accepted by local market and received good comments. To us, doing business honest and sincerely brings a long good relationship with customers. And good reputation is much value than orders. In the fierce market competition, you always can find lower price and higher price than mine. The most important thing is to find a reliable supplier whose quality is quite reliable as your longtime partner. Business with us, your money is safe, information are protected, and leading time is in guarantee. More information, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for your attention.